So this is how we ended up having to do a hub bearing removal on a 2006 Nissan Titan. That's 2-wheel drive. There's no spline in the middle to have that middle support with a puller.
To push out the studs.
So what we did is knocked out 2 studs, one there, ran bolts through that had threads all the way, put a nut on the back side there, and then I hold the back side.
There you go.
That's the best way to do it. Takes a little bit of time, but we tried hammer, slide hammer. Neither one of them would do it.
Torch.
We even tried heating it up with the torch. Didn't pull it off. That trick worked right there.